So recently I made some videos on how to create a 7 days to die server, and I've also now been requested to how to install mods, which is fairly simple, but most people don't know how to do it. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna install, let's have a look. We're gonna install one of the mods from mods.com. Well, is it Studio, whatever it is. We're gonna probably go for, well, Darkness Falls is pretty the same. Warfree UK is almost the same. Age of Oblivion is kind of the same. It's a matter of copying different files over. Undead Legacy is kind of the same as well. So today we're gonna install Warfree Z UK, which is similar with these 3 top mods to install. So first you want to go on Warfree UK and read all the cool information and stuff you want, and then scroll all the way down through these tons of videos. Now you got 2 different versions. Make sure you've got using the actual proper version of 7 days to die using. So we're going to use the Alpha 20 version in this video. If you want all the prefabs and new buildings and stuff, I suggest you download the full launcher version. So we'll click that and it should just download the actual version. If you need any support, go to their Discord, link there. So I'll cancel that because I've already pre-downloaded it. So hopefully you've got 7 days to die installed by now. Most of you will have installed it through Steam, and it will go to the default location on drive C, but I have it on a different drive. So let's see, if you've installed it on drive C, it will be in Program Files, Steam, and then let me go back to the beginning, Steam, and then it'll be Steam Apps, and then it should be Common, and then there's your game. So this is what your directory will be like. So once you've installed the game, run to a bag, loot it, then come out of the game. It's important that you actually run the game after install in vanilla mode, and then you're done. Right, so the problem is with mods, they're updated all the time, and sometimes they're not updated, but the game is updated first. So if you've installed the mod in your Steam directory, the minute you load Steam up, it will update it and your save and mod will no longer work. Or you can go into Steam settings and say don't update this game, or you can just do what I did, copy the whole directory to somewhere else, so then it's still installed if the mod doesn't work, and I've copied it here. Or you can copy it to a different drive or whatever. Right, so as you can see, there's my one. Make sure you make a shortcut for the launcher to your desktop, because you will need to launch it with the launcher to disable let's just load this up. I forgot what it's called now. The EAC anti-cheat. So you'll need to untick that and then run it, and you're good to go. So once your mod's downloaded, I'll stick that over there, and we'll stick these over here. You should go to your mod. I think it's this one. Yep, it'll be in a zip file. So if you haven't done already, install WinRAR. If not, use the Windows unzipper. It's still the same speed and effective. So you open this and close that because I got a free version. I'll just close that. My windows are too big. Why are they too big? Right, so we want to go into this folder, and as you can see, we've got data and all this. Ignore these files here. We want this, which contains all the mod files. So if you see a folder like this, say mods, just grab it and drag it into the 7 days to die directory. It's same if you've installed a dedicated server, you still drag the mods folder into there, and as you can see, it's in there as it is on there. And that is how you install Warfree mod. That's it. And as you can see, there's another folder here saying data, so we'll go back to there. As you can see, there is a folder in the 7 days to die. It's called data. So you go in there, double click that one, and it'll say worlds. So we've got a worlds folder here as well. Double click on there, and as you can see, it's a maps. Double click in there. It's actually a pre-made map that comes with Warfreezed UK. So you can go ahead and drag that in there if you wish to use the map. If not, then just drag the map, the mod folder over, and go back up. And there it is. All you do is grab this, drag it over to there, make sure it's not in a folder, just in the open directory, and then you should have the mod working. The only way to tell if the mod actually works is you need to load the game. Make sure EAC is turned off, and when the game loads, you should get the Warfreezed menu. The original menu will load up first. And there it is, there's the original menu, and then after it's loaded all the block textures and stuff, and that's to do with the game. There you go. And as you can see, the menu worked. And if you click new game, you should have that map if you actually put it in. There it is. And that is how you install Warfreezed mod. Let me know in the comments if you've got any problems, if something's not like what my computer's like, if your files are different, and also comment, like, subscribe. See you later. Bye bye.